Hello everyone. Today I'm close to the Russian border. Russia is right there and I'm in this beautiful place and in this interesting little chamber with fairy spirits, and I'm here today with the Holy Virgin drum that was birthed yesterday, and I would just like to make a little sound check together with you as this drum is making its virgin sound to you right now. It will be the first time I'm playing it after its creation, after it has dried up from the sauna time, and it's an honor and pleasure to share this moment with you. This drum is made by aspen tree in Finnish haapa, and I can feel and hear how even this frame is sounding when I just gently touch it. So the acoustics of this drum are incredible, and this is the drum stick that is following it, and gonna make a little drumming for today and for this time and for this drum and whoever will have this drum, to the whole family and mandala of the life of that person, as it will serve the great mission in the hands of the holder. So just want to show you a little bit around where I'm sitting, because it's such a special place. All the fairies all around. The lake is over there. We have the mermaid spirits, and we have more fairies all around. Showing you this beautiful photo here. This one. Wishing you everyone very beautiful place, very beautiful day from here. And I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Namaste.